Come join me on board 730-013 working the 1154 from Cannock to Rugeley Trent Valley. This part of the journey is between Cannock and Hednesford. Hope you enjoy.
Welcome aboard this West Midlands railway service for Rugeley Trent Valley. We will be calling at Hednesford, Rugeley Town and Rugeley Trent Valley. The next stop will be Hednesford. We are now approaching Hednesford. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs.
Thank you very much for joining me on this passenger ride between Cannock and Hednesford on board 730-013. If you did enjoy that, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you down the line for another passenger ride very soon. Thanks for watching.